What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Nico and I'm back with another video. On this video I'm gonna be showing you where we have been staying for the last couple of weeks. We're about to move to a new location and stay there for another 2 weeks before we leave Vietnam. So come along and check out our suite tour. Alright. Okay, we're at the Aroma Garden Suites here in Hoi An. As you can see, it's two restaurants right across the street. The one right across the street serves American food and Western type food, and over here you can see they serve Vietnamese food. They have the bikes here, for use for anybody who want to use bikes. It's free to use. It comes along with the suites when you buy it. It also comes with a fully stocked kitchen for use for anybody who stays here. And back there is where you can get use the laundry. I'll show you that in a little bit. Nice pool. The pool is cold. It's not really a busy place, I think since we've been here, there's only been like 2 other families been here. But yeah, it's not that busy. Those stairs right there go upstairs to more rooms. This right here is where you dry your laundry. Once you do the laundry, you can bring it over here and dry it. Because if you do it in the back over there, your laundry will never get dry. So they have this for the kids, for the swimming pool, life jackets. And this is where we have been staying for the last 2 weeks. Has a fully stocked kitchen. Pretty much anything you'll need, during your stay. You have the view of the pool right there too. They also have someone to come to clean the whole suite every day. That's included with the price. I'll tell you the price at the end of this video. And I'll also include all the information that you will need in the description. It has a fan and also another fan on the ceiling right there, which you can control with a remote. Nice seating area, comfortable, smart TV. Also has an upstairs. We don't use the upstairs because it's just me and one other person, so we don't need the upstairs. But those rooms upstairs are locked. But if you book it for the rooms upstairs, it's going to cost a little bit more, of course. But you can also book the rooms upstairs too if you have a family. Comes with a stocked fridge, beer, water, sodas, and the price right there of how much everything's going to cost you. Right there. Looks pretty good. Everything's comfortable, nice temperature. It doesn't really get too hot out here, so really all you need is that fan right there. That's all you're really gonna need. And it's gonna bring you to the bedroom right here. This is the bedroom. This is where all the fun happens. So we're packing up everything right now. So excuse the mess. Smart TV, Netflix, YouTube, anything you'll need. They have a closet right here to hang anything up. Also comes with hangers. You can also use those hangers to hang up your laundry, anything like that. Like I said, excuse the mess, but yeah, here's the bathroom. Comes with a shower, in the tub. You can open these windows up, you know, because this water gets extremely hot, so it'll steam up and fall up the entire bathroom. And yeah, just open up the window and let some of that steam out. You know, yeah. The water pressure's good. It's all good. You know, at the typical Asian, you know, got the water spray right there by the toilet. They got there in most places. I mean, I've been in Asia. Got Lex over there packing. Hey, Lex. And this is the back area right here for people who smoke. You know, they got some laundry right here drying. You know, like I said, if you want to do laundry, they have the washing machine right there. They also got a grill. I'm pretty sure you can use that grill if you ask. We didn't use the grill, but yeah, I'm pretty sure you can use the grill if you ask. This is another room right here, but it's not ours, it's another room. Then you got up here. Up here is other rooms. And it's very secure. You got a camera up there. You can see the camera up there. They got cameras all around the place on the outside. So we pay for us. We pay about $600 US for the month. That's for this place and the other place because they're owned by the same people. So they split the place in two. So we stay 2 weeks here, and we stay another 2 weeks in the other place. If you're interested in this suite, just check out the description and you can see how to book this place. I'll leave contact information. I booked this place through Airbnb, but I'll leave you the contact information for the owner, and you can book straight through them, or just call them on WhatsApp and, you know, book straight through them. Stay tuned for the next videos and all the videos I got coming up. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.